It's 5:30 a.m. Somewhere in Middle England, two trucks slowly rumbled their way towards East Midlands Airport. On board are two massive 30-ton rock crushers destined for a mine in Africa. In the skies overhead, the only aircraft that can handle such an abnormal cargo touches down. This is the Antonov 124-100. Once a military transporter, today its claim to fame is being one of the world's largest freighter planes. Its extraordinary bulk dominating the airport. The sheer size and weight of these two rock crushers could literally crush smaller planes.
These weigh 30 tonnes each, and they're 3.5 metres tall and 18 metres long. No other aircraft can carry that kind of height and that kind of length. The main goal is to construct the special ramp system that would be in one level with the floor of aircraft, so you can put the cargo into airplane.
The Ukrainian crew have almost finished their ramp that'll hopefully bear the considerable weight of the rock crushers. Despite the absurdity of driving a 30-ton monster machine with what looks like a toy car remote control, the crusher reaches the aircraft ramp without causing major damage. Our joystick joyrider keeps everything under control and guides the crusher safely into the cargo hold.
There's 30 tonne of weight on that aircraft now. If we took it right to the back of the aircraft, it could do some damage. It could tip the aircraft up at worst, or it could damage the fuselage. So it's been restrained in the middle of the aircraft until this one's in the nose. And then what they'll do is they'll take the first one a bit further in and then position this one right up next to it.
Both the industrial rock crushers are home and hosed.
The technicians are on board, so we're almost good to go. So we're all happy, crew are happy, they got their food, the cargo's on, it's all in one piece, job done.
A thunderous roar reverberates around East Midlands as the enormous Antonov 124 heads to an African mine in need of a pair of stone crushers.